Go ahead, Raccoon. Make his day. What? I warned you. The baby's a special baby. Auntie Edna. Yes, we take care of you, child. Oh, how about we say nom nom? Nom nom. Cookie nom nom. And look, your daddy's back there too. Cookie nom nom. The baby likes it. Oh, yuck, he farted.
This is the captain speaking. Konnichiwa. If you ever want your dreams come true, you come here. Overnight challenge, begin. 1, 2, 3, repeat, go. It's Texas, we can do whatever we want. Texas, we love ya! Yeah! Now don't go that way. Traveling the world. Konnichiwa. Special surprise today. I was at the arcade and you wouldn't believe what I saw up on the shelf. I was like, I have to have that. This is it. Jack Jack. Yes, I have Edna, now I have Jack Jack. And he talks. He's so great. You want to see it? What he does, he makes a little noise with his little eyes and his little belly. Oh, he's so silly. Because it's Jack Jack. Look. Go ahead, Jack Jack. Begin. See him getting red? Ooh, and his eyes, they change color. He's so silly. And he comes the cute little battle raccoon. Oh, this is going to be fun. So, without further ado, let's check out Jack Jack.
¿Qué es eso? Es mío. Es Jack Jack. Oh, qué bonito. Let's see what he does. You push the button, you say? Okay, let me use my stick. Find the button on his belly, eh? Oh! Niño de Diablo. Oh, let's open him up. What? You want to open this up? Yeah, I want to open it up. Can I take a break from this? Well, who else will open it up? Gobble, 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 gobble. Let me handle the baby. Yes, it's a baby, and I will open him up. Now, all it takes is for Auntie Edna to just take a little look at what he's wearing and then realize, oh, it's not good enough. So let me, sit down.
Hello, darling. I'm Edna. Okay, darling. Okay, darling. Oh, no, darling, you don't say.
Sounds like you guys are having a good time.
Now remember, darling, luck favors the prepared.
So, I'm going to open up this package, and I'm going to mentor this child. Yes, this child. Oh, okay. You ready to open it? Yes. Pass me the shears of life. You mean scissors? Yes. Open up the box, please. Right from the very top. That's how we do it here. Okay, let's see here. So this one, looks like you're on the side. Okay, so let's open it up on the side then. Right here. Yes, the shears of life. Yes, the shears of life. Go ahead, get in there good. It's kind of tricky. Okay, it's open. Very good. Now, let's see here. Oh, yes, you need to open up all of them, even here on the side, darling. Okay. That one there. And then the one down here? Yes, the one down there, too. So we got this at the arcade, huh? Oh, no, darling, the babies, they come from the swan. You know that. Oh, yeah, sure. Yes, go ahead. Gobble, 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 gobble. You're taking too long. I'm sorry. Trying my best. It's a lot of work to talk all by myself. Yes. Take the baby out, please. Okay. So, Jack. Whoops, there we go. Package is open. Let me see the baby. Oh, wow. The baby is, cute. Like I would expect from a baby. Right, little one? Right? Oh, you're so happy, eh, baby? Leave him in the packaging. It's better for babies to be restrained so they don't attack me. So what do we have here? We have a little creature? Yes, this came with a little raccoon. He's got a furry little tail. Look, isn't that cute? Get it away. Ugh, disgusting thing. It's dirty. It needs a bath. Open the baby. Okay. Let's see what the baby... Oh, he came out right away. Okay, so we're going to lights and sounds. We can put this in the background. Yes. Now, show me what the baby can do. Well, he's really cute. He's got little hair up on top. It's actually real hair. It's kind of neat. Ooh, stiff. We'll leave it that way. He's got beautiful eyes. Bring him over here to the light. Oh, look at that. You can actually kind of see a little bit of depth in there. Yes, eyes of beauty. Yes, they are. He's got 2 little teeth because he's a baby. He's got little ears. Not sure yet where he glows or how he glows, but he's got a beautiful little outfit made by me. Yes, it was. Probably was made by you. And let's see. Does his leg? Oh, yes. His legs do pose. He's got some cute little feet. I can feel his little toes under here, too. Let's see. Oh, look at his cute little hands. He's got little dimples like a little Cabbage Patch doll. And he stands upright. Let's see if he can stand. Let's see. Can you stand, little baby? Yes, of course he can stand. He's raised by me, of all people. Oh, would you all like a photograph together? Selfie. Yes, fix the back of my hair. Yes, much better. Yes, baby, smile. We should also mention some features of the baby. He has a nice articulating hand. It actually rotates up and down and to the side. It's fully articulating. So is this one. So he's great at giving hugs. Edna, get away. Edna doesn't give hugs. Oh, I didn't figure you would. Jack. Oh. Jack's silly. Okay, Jack, it's farting. And then we got this little cute little raccoon. In the box, he actually looked happy. Here, he looks a little angry now. Maybe because I kicked him. Maybe because you kicked him, probably. He's got a nice little furry tail. It's nice and bushy. Looks like a little raccoony tail. There's nothing about him. He's actually a little soft, a little hard in some places. His head does move, which is kind of neat. He's not very big. I'd say he's about maybe 6 inches tall. And he, I guess, can play with the baby. Yes. And we all know what babies like, right, Edna? What do they like? Nom nom. Babies like nom nom. Cookie nom nom, huh, baby? You like cookie? Huh? Oh, yeah, baby likes cookie. Go ahead. Nom nom, cookie. Nom nom nom. Yes. Very good, Edna. Oh, look, the baby ate the cookie. Get the cookies away. We train baby with love. We don't need cookies. We don't need no stinking cookies. We need love. Right, baby? I guess baby agrees with you. Now, the baby's in a mode right now where he doesn't actually do anything in this mode, looks like. It appears that he's only in, talkative mode. And I notice he's been repeating the exact same thing. And I'm guessing he's lighting up. I just can't see it very well. So, Edna, we're going to turn off the light. There we go. Let's see if the baby lights up. Oh, my goodness. No, he didn't like that. He's got fire mode. He doesn't react. Oh, wait. Yeah, well, he doesn't react. You don't want to shake the baby, of course, but he doesn't react to motion. That's something to know. He doesn't he doesn't have any sensors, so he doesn't turn on in case you cover his eyes. He's just fully, there's one single button right here in his belly. And he appears to be repeating the exact same thing. Okay, so, whoa. So, back here on the baby's back, you pull this off, you can see right here. Go ahead and turn on that light for a second. Edna, turn on the lights, yes. Put some light on the subject. Right here you can see. So, there's 2 buttons here. One, it doesn't actually say, it just says it has a line, and the one does not have a line. So, we're going to push this one down, cover up the baby. Oh, look down here, it says Pixar. Did you see this, Edna? It says Disney/Pixar. Right under there. Yeah, it looks like they added the Pixar part after the Disney. That's kind of funny. So it's like they're like, this is a Pixar toy. Oh, okay. So there's 2 modes to this baby. Whoa. Let me go and turn off the light, you can see better. Yes, he does glow. And the raccoon's nearby. The raccoon knows what's about to happen. It's dangerous, raccoon. Whoa! That means get away. Go ahead, raccoon. Make his day. I warned you. The baby's a special baby. Auntie Edna. Yes, we take care of you, child. And you'll be mine, and I'll be yours. And we'll be together for our family photo. Oh, the baby. He hit me. How embarrassing. Go ahead. Turn on the light, please. Oh, that was crazy. All right, so that's Jack Jack. You ready for your photo? For your family photo, Auntie Edna? Oh, yes. The baby is ready. All right, child. Let's go have the photo. Ready? What is that thing? Get away. Okay. Silly thing. Cheese. Oh, how about we say nom nom? Nom nom. Cookie nom nom. And look, your daddy's back there too. Cookie nom nom. The baby likes it. Oh, yuck, he farted. You silly baby. You silly baby. Oh, he likes the cookie. It makes him gassy. All right, then. We'll see you soon, Edna. Thank you for sharing Jack Jack with us and his crazy little creature. Get away. Okay. I just don't like little furry things if they're not tied to a leash. But yes, Auntie Edna says thank you to each his own and to everybody who's looking for a new fashion. Just enjoy and just call me whenever you need my help. And this is Jack Jack. Bye-bye, Jack Jack. See you soon. Oh, Jack Jack's upset. All right, Edna. We'll see you soon. Yes, I need to stand guard of the baby. He's a little crazy. Alright, guys, bye-bye. Well, I don't think you have nothing to worry about. He seems to be taking care of that raccoon. Yes, he is. Now get him away. Ugh, yucky raccoon. If it's one thing I can't stand, it's the raccoon. He's just staring at me. Oh, is this going to be our family photo? Perhaps. But don't worry, Jack Jack's got the baby. Oh, let me fix your hair so you look pretty for the photo. Oh, yes, thank you. Maybe some Aquanet would do. Oh, great. This little raccoon staring at me. Alright, till next time. Me and Jack Jack, we got some work to do. Like maybe trying some new outfits for this baby. Alright, see you soon. Work, let be done. Gobble, 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 go away. Alright, Jack Jack, see you soon. Bye-bye.
It's hot in the summer, but I dance for you. You like it? I said, you like it? Oh.